folks, remember this thing? The LockNLube. I have it on my Milwaukee grease gun. And if you haven't seen it, I've made a video on how to install it. It's very simple. A while ago. And I told y'all I was gonna use it for a while and tell you what I thought about it. And it's been a while, so here I am. For starters, I just got the normal one. I wish I got the longer one. For what I'm doing, it makes it a little bit easier to get into some of the tight spots. So that's on me. That's nothing to do with the tool itself. But yeah. So the LockNLube. It's very simple to use. It has 4 little claws, if you will, in the tip, and those wrap around the grease zerk. You just press the lever, put it on your zerk, and let go. Oh. Like such. It's on there. So, people say no leaks. I get some leaks sometimes. I think there's a way you can adjust the claws. I don't remember. It's fine. Most of the times I don't get leaks. The ones I get leaks on are the crappy grease zerks that are seized up thanks to in whatever it's going into, thanks to the rust belt, all the salt on the roads. So if you have where the ball on the zerk is seized up, just take a punch and push it in, clear it up. But on your normal grease zerks, this works great. It clears out and most of the junk. Like if you have something that's a little hard to take grease, this'll do it. Now if you have something that will not take any grease whatsoever, this might help. It depends on how bad it is. I've had some where it would pressure up and no leaks, which is awesome. But then it would start leaking because the blockage was great in the, we have barrel hinges on our trailers, toolboxes. That's what I'm talking about. They're too corroded up that the corrosion and the junk in the hinges won't get pushed out, so it just blows out at the zerk. But I've had some where it did break it free, and it saved us from having to cut and weld on stuff to take the hinges apart. But so again, how to use it: squeeze that lever, shove it on the grease zerk, let go. It's on there. All you got to do, grease it up, just like that. It's that simple. Now if you saw there's a little bit of leakage, but I'm fine with it. A little bit, I like a little bit, because then when you take it off, leaves a little bit on the zerk. And when I'm done with everything, I come back through with a paper towel, wipe it a little bit, and it leaves just a little bit of protection on the nipple there. And so before you go through next time to grease, you wipe it off, get all the crud and corrosion off, and your zerk's not seized up. So yeah, that's how to use the LockNLube and my thoughts on it. Again, I would get one if you do a lot of greasing. And this LockNLube. And I would, if you do a lot of tight work, I'd get the long one. So yeah, I hope you like that. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more. And until next time, stay crazy. See ya.